everyone, welcome back. JD is so happy to have your help. Today, he's using a small track skid steer to bring heavy round bales of hay to the hay feeder for some of his farm animals. We hope you enjoyed last week's video. Make sure you subscribe. We would really appreciate it. It's another cold one today. Let's get to work. There are hungry farm animals waiting, and I have Rylan with me to help narrate.
The hay spear attachment is the right tool for this job. Let's meet the animals. Betsy over here. Hi. Betsy is a mama cow and she likes ear scratches. Her 1-year-old daughter Pinky is never far behind. There is Buddy Boy. There's Kia. She loves the cows. It's time to go to work. Let's go to the barn and get some hay. Oh no, almost out of hay bales. Better call our hay farmer. The hay spear pokes the hay bale. Oh no, we dropped the hay bale. Better pick it up. Back on the hay spear. Take it out to the pasture. Slow down, JD. He's a crazy driver. One more hay bale. Gotta drive it out to the pasture. Ready, set, go, JD. Who ordered the hay bale? She is licking her lips. One in, one to go. Excuse us, Kia. The hay nets are off. Dinner time! The frozen ground makes the driving bumpy.
Thanks again for joining us. Hope to see you next week. And Kia says, make sure you subscribe. That's how we know you really like the videos, and we'll keep making them. Expect a video every Tuesday. We call them Trackhoe Tuesday. Enjoy the hay, Betsy and Pinky. See you next week. Take care.